What's up guys, Saulius. So yeah, let's play Zombie Shuttle Gun Hunter aka Dead City. We lost off about post-war shotgun. So yeah, let's continue about No! Oh, thank you. I swear to God, if I die, I'm be way screwed. Thank you, game. Okay, next. Finally, I've got reloading speed. Jesus Christ, too many zombies, man. Finally. Finally, he's dead. Next. Stage 20. Duh. Die. Come on, Daya, so bang! Kill! Die! Finally! I almost died, dude! Next. Oh my. This is insane! Just die, kurwa! He did that! No, 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 no! We survived first wave! Yay! Thank you, game. Please do not die second wave. This will be final wave. If I die, I'm be pissed. Oh, thank you. I swear to God. I did it! I'm back. Oh my goodness. Took attempt shots. Oh my goodness. Finally, I'm back that one. Oh, this is so fucking annoying. I fucking died a lot again. Because I was not expecting too many spawn zombies. I have to kill 56. Just die fucking... Hell, you never fucking see you again. I did it. Finally. Oh my goodness. States? Please 6 states. Oh my goodness. Chapter 30, level 21. Suck. Next. Chapter 30, level 22. Let's see if this will be easy or not. Let's get in here. Oh, talking to I hate zombie runners so much. It's so ridiculous, man. Yeah. Finally. Next, let's do one more and done. One more and then done. Final grind and then finally increase reloading speed. Die! Die! Just die! Thank you. We almost died. Oh, I did! I swear to God, if that's not count 50% XP, I'm be pissed. Finally, after we maxed out reloading speed, finally, so we're gonna upgrade Chimp because there was no way. And then, also, we're going to upgrade fire rate because it's still enough faster if we did done. So stay tuned for that about past 12. So you know gotta do it. We're gonna end this video. So I will say goodbye, Saulius, and see you tomorrow, okay? Have a good night and peace out, okay? Stay tuned for that for update, okay? Bye!